Okay, now it's time to set up your DJ mixer and DJ decks. To do so, we'll need to understand how signals are moving between all the devices. The purpose of the DJ deck is to output an audio signal. Whether you're just playing a song, scratching and juggling between songs, or using one of the wacky effects that they now have on DJ decks, the main principle is still outputting an audio signal. Where does this signal go? It goes to the mixer. The purpose of the mixer is to accept audio signals coming into it, do some sort of processing on the signal, then output that signal to the speakers. An analogy would be similar to your computer. The keyboard you use to type inputs a certain signal to the computer. The computer then looks at it and processes your typing, then outputs it to the screen for you to see. We'll be diving deeply into the DJ decks and DJ mixer in a few videos time, but for now all you need to know is that the audio signal comes from the DJ decks, goes to the mixer, then goes out to the speakers. If you keep this in mind, setting up is easy. Just a note, DJ decks are also known as CDJs. To start, plug the RCA connector into your CDJ so that the CDJ can send its audio signal through these cables. Plug the other end of the RCA connector into the mixer so that the mixer can receive those audio signals coming from the CDJ. For most mixers, they have between 2 to 4 main input channels. Input channels are sections which are separate from one another and can accept one audio signal coming into them. These audio signals usually come from CDJs or microphones. Plug the CDJ on your left into channel 1 of the mixer. Plug the CDJ on your right into channel 2 of the mixer. Make sure the volumes on the mixer are turned down for both channels 1 and 2. Next, plug in the power cables for both your CDJs and your DJ mixer. Find the on switch, which is usually at the back of your CDJs and on the top right for your DJ mixers, and turn on your devices. Congratulations, you are now set up and ready to DJ.